Today, we're tackling a quick but helpful tip for your iPhone camera. Ever take a selfie and notice everything looks flipped? Let's go over how to turn on that inverted camera effect on your iPhone. Alright, first things first, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the Camera option. Tap on that to open the camera settings. Inside the camera settings, look for a section titled Composition or something similar. There you should find a toggle switch for mirror front camera. Here's the key part. If the switch is turned off, that means your front camera selfies are not being mirrored. To turn it on and take selfies that look exactly how you see yourself in the mirror, simply tap the toggle switch to turn it on. That's all there is to it. With mirror front camera turned on, your selfies will now be captured exactly as you see yourself in the mirror. No more flipped text or backwards hairstyles. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.